Hey guys, DJ here from the ADU Pro on video 2 for the ADU power conversion. And I just rhymed. We got Brandon Campbell here at Campbell Electric. I don't know why the heck he's beating on the thing. It's just something he does, but
oh, sorry, I'm just working.
He's just working. See, and just so you know, a little plug here. Look at his shirt, Campbell Electric. There's a phone number. He specializes in ADU, commercial, and residential electric. If you need your panel upgrade, give Brandon a call. Sometimes he'll do the work for you. Sometimes he won't. But, sorry, Brandon. You know, it's that mustache. You need to shave that mustache.
Sure.
Today, we're removing this existing panel and installing a sub panel. And then, like I explained in the other video, you see this long wire that goes over to this panel here. This is going to get pulled over to the ADU. That's about 150 yards behind this house. And then we're going to backfeed. Let me get over here. We're going to backfeed the wire underground. You can see the conduit here with a rope going in. So you're going to pull the wire through and get everything energized. So double meter panel on the ADU with a sub panel on the ADU. This is going to be a sub panel for the main residence. And hopefully Brandon's going to have power up and running today on both units. Right, Brandon? Yeah, he's not.
They can get a hotel.
Yeah, they can get a hotel. Yeah, nice mustache, Brandon.
Like it.
So, guys, any questions about upgrading your panel service to a double meter for an ADU? Call Brandon. Don't call me because I don't have the answers. Just kidding. Give us a call or DM us at the link below, and we'll be able to answer the questions you guys have. This is going to be a short one because I did it on the last video on the other information. So, DM us any questions about panel upgrade, any questions whatsoever about building an ADU. DM us or give us a call at 800-929-9812 and myself or one of our wonderful staff, or I may give you Brandon's number and he'll answer those questions. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. DJ, the ADU Pro.